which is like my first big girl investment. I don't even know if the one I got is original. I actually don't see the use of this brow band. I don't know how to pronounce it. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pamela. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So on today's video, I'm going to be unboxing all the products, the tools and equipment that I got for my content creation from year 2021 that I'll be using in year 2022. Firstly, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a product I was very excited to get on Jumia during their Black Friday, and I was able to get it at a discounted price, so I was super excited about it. It is the selfie stick integrated tripod. It was retailing for about 6,000, but because of the Jumia Black Friday, I was able to get it at around 3,000. And later on, I see it's like a discount code, so I was still able to even get some percent off once again. So this is how it looks. It can rotate in 360, and also it's very cool that it can really extend. It came with a Bluetooth shutter, and the best thing about this selfie stick is that it can also act as a tripod. You just have to spread out the legs. Ensure that you watch out for the video where I'll be releasing the tips on where to get your products, your tools, and the best time to get them. The next thing that I got, which is like my first big girl investment, which I'm like super proud of myself for getting, although I got assistance from my sisters, which I'm really grateful for, that they helped out, because if not I would have been like really broke. I'm really excited that I got this phone, Camon 17 Pro. The day I wanted to buy this phone, I mentioned Camon 17, but luckily for me, my sister was like, let us check the spec out. And when I checked it, I was like, this is not what I'm looking for. So immediately we looked for the Pro version. I noticed that it had 256 gig, and my former phone was 32 gig and 32 gig memory card, and I exhausted it out. I'll show you the phone because that's what I'm using to film. You notice that the quality is sharper. Everything about this phone is just really amazing. It has made my content creation both on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok really easy. I'm going to link my Instagram and TikTok page in the description box that I'm going to show you on the screen, so you can check it out. So if you're looking for any phone you can get, check this out. The price was around, is expensive, but it is actually quite worth it. The RAM is 8 gig RAM, so the phone is not slow. I don't experience like hanging. The camera quality for the selfie is 48 MP. My former phone was, I think it was 32 MP, and it also shoots in 4K, which is like camera quality. This was my first big girl investment, and I'm really excited about it. This is actually my first Tecno product, and so far so good. The brand has really proved itself. The next product I got was from a makeup brand. I actually won this from their giveaway. The makeup brand is known as Revo, and the product is actually called Quick. It is a makeup brush cleaner, and I actually have not tried it out because this year I'll be doing some beginner friendly makeup tutorials. So by the time this video may be up already, I may have already released the video, so ensure to check it out, or I'll leave the links in the description box down below. First thing that actually attracted me to this product is like plain white at the moment, but once you shake it up, it turns really blue, and blue is my favorite color, so like it's really attracted me. The packaging was really cute. The bag it came in, it had like the Revo sign of the brand, and everything was just like really nice. It's from the first class. We also got like a package, and in the package it contained a journal. This is the journal, a date with Revo. Really love that it is portable, it is small, you can write like your ideas anywhere you go to. And I got some really cool brands. I got from My Chick Cosmetics. I'm really excited to try this out because the shade in which it came in is something that I use for my lips also, so it's really perfect. Then I got this Zaron brow band. I actually don't see the use of this brow band because I don't know, it doesn't work, so I don't know about that. Maybe later on when I find a use for it. And I got this setting powder, AOA Studio Perfect setting powder. I'm super excited to try this out. For the next product is a hair care brand that is actually quite popular, which is Dark and Lovely. I actually won this giveaway, like I can't remember the festive period it was, but that's when I like won the giveaway. I like the packaging, that it's purple, it's actually very attractive, and I got their corrective leave-in conditioner for weak and dry hair. To be quite frank, I can't wait to share my review on this product. I'm going to be spilling a lot of teas about this brand, so ensure you check it out. I also got their Total Repair 5 oil moisturizer for damaged This product here is an OG that I've been using for a while now, and I really love it. And the last thing I got from Dark and Lovely was their 3-in-1 shampoo for all hair types. So natural hair, relaxed hair. If your hair is transitioning, you can use these products. And I think they also have like a relaxer. I'm not so sure about that, but since I'm on natural hair, it is only this that I got, and I'm super excited to try out this brand. So I personally don't have hair journals, even like a content creation journal. I don't have one. It's when the idea comes to me, I like just write it in sheet of paper. So I like keep all the sheet of papers in a bag, which is not nice. But recently I got a journal, this hair journal. This is how the package came in this brown bag. Very cute, very nice. I really love the color, and this is how the journal looks like. It wrote one step towards my main. It's an hair journal by Main Unraveled on Instagram. Also, I was able to get their goat oil. Their goat oil came in sorry about the noise. Their growth oil came in 200 ml. The thing I really love about them is that their growth oil was sealed, so no spillage, and it is called the Alba Cocktail Scalp and Hair Oil. Recently, my scalp has been like acting up. I don't know, I had like dandruff, and also because I like fell sick back to back, so I really lost a lot of hair. Like it got back to the extent that I put my hand in my hair and my hair would just fall off. So this year I'm going to be doing a natural hair challenge. The challenge would have already started by the time this video is already up, so make sure you check out what the challenge entails, the products we are going to be trying out. I'm not going to be trying out like really expensive product that you cannot get. I'm going to be trying out products, DIYs, protective styles that will really help to grow your hair. Then the ingredients this product contains is olive oil, which I always use, arm seed, which I've never tried, alma, which I've recently been using, moringa, neem. I have used moringa, I've used neem before, stinging nestle, essential oils of rosemary, peppermint, and yang, and vegan fragrance. Most of these essential oils I've actually not tried it out. The essential oil that I've tried out, I'm going to be showing you. I got it from another brand, and I was super excited to get it. I'm really excited about this because my other scalp oil that I got, I've exhausted it. The next product going to be trying out for my natural hair growth challenge is this virgin hair fertilizer. A lot of people have been talking about it. I've never used it before, so I was like really super excited to find it in my local market. This is how it looks. It's in a tube-like form and it is sealed. So make sure that when you get yours, it is sealed also. There are a lot of fakes in the market. I don't even know if the one I got is original. So I try it out for some months to see if it actually gives me any results. Then the next thing is essential oils. So I got this from Sunny Hile. I'm going to actually leave the name on the screen. I don't know how to pronounce it, and it came all the way from the US, or was it the UK? I shall won it in one of their giveaways. This is how the box looks like. It's cute, it was very compact, it had a lot of like things like bubbles, and it was also wrapped in like a bubble wrap nylon, so everything was really contained. So this is the essential oil that I got, a peppermint Jamaican black castor oil. My edges are about to grow back. I've actually been using part of it already. You can notice the seal is already out. I also got like 2 other small black Jamaican castor oil, same brand, the Sunny Isle brand. Like they are really good in, once it's their castor oils or their essential oils, they are really good and very effective. So I'm also going to be including this in my natural hair care challenge, so make sure you check out for that video. The second to the last product that I'm going to be showing you is from a brand. So why I was really excited to get this was because it was a natural hair influencer, natural 4C Empress on Instagram. I'm going to leave her Instagram name on the screen. She actually sent me this from this brand, Shukuhara. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is how it is. It is a Chebe brand. We've seen a lot of reviews on Chebe product, Chebe this, Chebe to grow your hair overnight, although I don't believe in any product growing your hair overnight. Sent me their Chebe shampoo, and it contains argan oil also. I'm really excited to try it out. She also sent me the Chebe deep conditioner with argan oil. The ingredients that I've been seeing so far on the brand is actually quite comprehensive, and they actually share their ingredients such as chanamoli extract, aloe vera juice, bambassus oil, etc, and also the Chebe most especially. And I really love their logo. Their logo has like the afro sign on it, so this is cute because the girl wearing the afro also has her oops on. So this brand got their packaging on point. It's now for me to try it out to see if they've also got their product on point. The last product for today's unboxing, the brand that has been since the 90s. The best thing about them is that they are very, when I mean very, they are very affordable. I did a video on natural hair products that are very affordable, less than 1,000, which is less than $2. This brand was among them because they are very affordable and very effective. I got this from TCB Natural. I got their entire range. Crazy. This is like my ultimate giveaway that I won. Apart from the other one that I got, the sewing machine, this brand sent me all their products for free. I think I won this during their Valentine of 2021 giveaway. I won it with one of my friends, and they wrote like a note: "Hey sunshine, we are glad to share this season of love with you, and we hope this gift makes you happy. We genuinely care about you and your hair. You're not just our follower on Instagram, but you're a unique and valuable woman, and we want the best for you and your crown. You deserve all the amazing things life offers. Love, your favorite hair care brand, TCB Naturals." That's like really nice. I really love the card inserted. Then I got like a book, a notepad. The notepad also is just like a regular notepad, and it also came with a pen. Then I also got their pop socket. I think I'm going to be using the pop socket for my new phone. I got the oil sheen, olive oil, argan oil, and coconut oil. I've used coconut oil, I've used olive oil. It's only argan oil I've not used, so this is a must try. Then for their leave-in conditioner, there's a leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil. So I've not actually used the leave-in conditioner, but once you open it, you can smell the coconut oil. So it's really nice. It also came with a relaxer and a shampoo, but since I'm natural, I'm going to be giving this to my sister to try out, and I will ask her for a review on this. The most exciting thing about this brand is their hair pomades. Normally, I do not use hair pomades for my scalp or for my hair. They sort of irritate me, but recently I've been using one of their hair pomades when my hair was like really shedding, and it's really worked. My edges are getting back to normal. The dandruff has cleared, so I can say this product is really effective. This is their anti-dandruff hair food with coconut oil and menthol. This product is approved by me, so make sure that you get it. Then the next pomade they have is the nourishing hair food with lanolin, vitamin E, and protein. Third pomade they sent is the Awa pomade with coconut oil and aloe vera. Like aloe vera, I always include it in my wash day, so I'm really excited to try this out. The smell of this is really nice, and it has some particles in it. I don't know what the particles are. I guess they are from the coconut itself, but nonetheless, I'm really excited to try it out. And the last product I got from them, which I actually been eyeing from their page and I had not found in the local market then, was their Indian herbs hair food. So you know how these Indians have like really long hair and all that, so I was really excited to try out this particular pomade from the brand. It's Indian hair food with castor oil. It is an hair and scalp conditioner. This is how it looks, the color and all that. The bag is something that you can also use if you enjoyed today's video, which personally I enjoyed filming. I meant to have filmed this video like since last year, but I fell sick, school, and personally I just lost my vibe when I was not getting the engagement which I wanted. But this year I'm going to put out all the content I want and I'm comfortable with it, so make sure you check them all out. If you're yet to subscribe, ensure to hit on the subscribe button. It is completely free. Get this video to 200 views today. The least views for this video today is 200 views and about 100 likes. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see my next video. Bye guys.